So once you have taken your sales decision, we will continue to the negotiation part, and we are still in the negotiation phase, which is phase 2 in Vinego, but we will now discover how to negotiate. So first of all, you can see that you have here automatically 3 offers coming from an external supplier, and their status is to be studied, okay? So these offers are coming directly for the simulator, and be aware they are only at the beginning of the simulation. So they will not appear automatically each month starting from February or March. In order to check the offers, we have this button here, and we enter and we see the summary, so the type of offer, the customer, the payment terms, the status, and also the details of the offer with the quantity as well as the unit price of the product they want and the final amount. You can refuse or accept the offer. Before refusing or accepting, you should check each of these offers and see which one is the most suitable for you and which one attracts you the most. So after we moved from the offer 1 to the offer 2 and then the third, we can say that we've done the tour of these 3 offers, and we can decide to refuse them or to accept them. If we don't like them, any of them, then we still have the possibility to do a new offer. And how will we do that? We have a button here called New Offer that you can all see. And here is the type of offer, purchase, because we can purchase only. And here we can select our supplier, which can only be industrialists. Remember that as distributor, you have sold your stock to the 3 final clients: winemakers, sellers, and key accounts. And now, in the negotiation phase, the negotiation decision, you have to rebuild your stocks. So you have to negotiate with the industrialists in your simulation and to buy them at the best price and with the best payment terms. So now it's your chance to make them a proposal, and you can decide the payment terms here. That can go also until 60 days after the delivery. You can select the category of the product you want. You can add the quantity that you want as well as the price. So let's say that we want to buy at 19 euros the lot. And here is my total amount, and by pressing this plus button, I can see here the recap of my order. So I will send an offer to Industrialists 1 of finished stoppers with a quantity of 10,000 mixed stoppers at a unit price of 19 euros, which will make me a total of 1,900,000 euros. I can choose here to send the offer, or I can cancel it for now and do another offer, and I can send to another industrialist without any other problem and change the terms of payment. So as I said, you have the opportunity of already accepting one of the offers that are here, or you can simply do a new offer. You have also the opportunity to accept any of the 3 offers of the simulation, and in the same time do make a new offer to another industrialist. There is no problem in doing that. Once you have finished the negotiation part, you will simply validate here, and of course you will want to finish the phase. This pop-up reminds you that you can still cancel and come back to your decision and start again the negotiations depending on industrialists or on your needs. But if you decide to just finish the phase, do not hesitate, and you will move on to January, to the next month, which is February. Sorry.